So now it's time to serve up Elizabeth Taylor's favorite chili. And to do that, you just come right on in. You can see the beans, and you can see the meat, and you can see, well, the bell pepper.
I wonder if they could smell it right up the hill, because she used to live up there.
Elizabeth Taylor lived right up above us, and she's looking down
Back
on
in the
us right
day.
now. By the way, very interesting that I'm going to serve this with some of Chef Dominique Cren's Unity bread, which I made for my 52 and 22 cooking challenge earlier this year. But now, the last touch is fresh shredded onion, some little pasta looking pieces of cheddar cheese, and fresh parsley. And there you go. I hope Liz Taylor's proud. The original Chasen's restaurant recipe.